We call wire transfers wires because in 1871, that's the first time that actually money was sent across two copper pair of wires, like with Western Union being the telegraph operator. This is 1871, and we still call them wires. And actually, when you look at the way that money moves through the banking system today, it hasn't changed all that much. Like, there is a little bit of automation here and there, but a great extent, the same process of moving money around the world. When you see the evolution of AI and you see all of the crazy things, like, I live in LA and I see Waymos everywhere driving without a driver, and you're still like sending money that way, it makes no sense. It's a massive anomaly. And so, yes, if the internet could move money natively, like if you could actually, as a developer, build a thing that will enable you to send and receive money for others, and if banks and wallets could do the same, would you use anything else? Of course you wouldn't.